Hope you're doing fine. Doing wonderful. Hope you're discoing every language. And you just stop, sweetheart. Hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you are discoing. I hope you're doing good. Oh my God, have mercy. This is Gold Brief, and I'm gonna be talking about gold as a whole. I'm gonna start. Please, before I start, like, share, subscribe. Please, 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 I beg of you, and comment too. Good deal, good deal. This is the DXY, the dollar index, and what we have here uh, is a, a reversal today with an amazing kiss formation in the MACD, and the indicators are ready to rock. Okay, so definitely a good reversal here, but the most important thing is not only that DXY, but also this bad boy, the USD JPY, and you can see that we broke out of this bull flag. Okay, good deal. See that? Definitely a bona fide breakout. And not only that, it came with this amazing older breakout. Okay, so we had this breakout earlier, 2 weeks ago, I guess, and we had confirmation of that breakout. See, good deal. And with this breakout, we had a measured move. Let me get it closer. So we have the breakout here. So you have the breakout here, and you have throwback and a rally and a successful throwback with a bull flag. And also with that breakout, you have the measured move I talked about before. All right, let me show you. So most likely we're gonna hit the 162 Fibonacci. Oh God, what's wrong with me? Okay, the 162 Fibonacci extension, it's about 143 something. It's extremely likely because we are breaking out of this bull flag. So you have breakout of this consolidation, successful throwback, another consolidation, and in the form of bull flag, and a breakout. So it's absolutely extremely likely that we are going to hit the 162, and this will put a lot of pressure on gold and gold miners. It's almost imminent. It's almost imminent. If you remember my previous video, the 3 days rule or 3% rule after breakout, and I said it is extremely likely that this is a real breakout. You broke out, consolidated, a breakout again. This came with a kiss formation in the MACD, which is the very, very, very best way of an amazing bull leg with this one right here. And also the RSI is over 50 and stochastic is hooking up. And this one, the USD JPY, in a different platform, but this one is not updated yet. That's why I used my other account in TradingView, because this thing does not get updated all the time fast. That's why I use the TradingView, but I explained that here. So it's absolutely extremely likely that we're gonna hit the 143 143, at least the 143, 162 Fibonacci extension of the previous breakout. It's extremely likely, and it's probable that we hit the 146. But the 143 is game, and this would put tremendous pressure on gold. So what happened in GLD today? Also, GLD also went down really hard. 47% in gold is really huge, and it's reflective of this breakout. And it's extremely likely that you're gonna continue down, especially you went through this trading range. If you do remember, you have A, B, C here is 127. Usually the 127 Fibonacci extension is not the best place where the buyers gather, but it's not an absolute bottom usually, but it's a place where the buyers gather, but it did not stay for long. And it went up in a form of a bear flag, and that bear flag got busted, and we are going through the down leg. You see a bear flag here, a bull flag here for the USD JPY. It's extremely close. The USD JPY is very close to gold price action. So you have bull flag, bear flag, get busted, a breakout. Capiche? So what do I see here? I see a kiss formation also in the GLD. I see the bad bearish crossover in the stochastic, and also a failure to go over 50, which usually is not a good thing. Last time this thing happened was in March 3rd, and this happened in GLD. Okay, so no one knows the future, but this is extremely likely, especially with the USD JPY. SLV, okay, SLV, it's also the same thing, 118. It's really outperforming GLD, but because the market is rallying and it's an industrial metals, that's why it did not have that much selling pressure as in gold, but it's not going to be forever. The market might retrace, then this bad boy will go back to be closer to gold and precious metals as a whole. All right, so SLV, GDX. If you remember, if you are one of the two people that watching these videos, I said I usually have a buy signal in a 4-hour time frame, and that's what I did. I bought, and I sold yesterday. GDX, I bought with this signal right here, and I sold yesterday. Thank God, with a profit, and I didn't look back. And I was lucky, tell you the truth, that I sold early, midday in GDX, so I got I get the best of the meat and potatoes. But now I think the price would retrace according to the USD JPY, and I don't know where it's going to be. If the USD JPY hit the target price as soon as possible, and you have a fast price destruction in GDX, while maintaining a kiss formation at least in the MACD like you had here last March, you might have another up leg. But I really don't know if it's going to go down anyway. I'm just telling you what I believe in according to the chart. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour had a sell signal, as a matter of fact. Yeah, it does have a sell signal, a bona fide bearish disco combo. Okay, with a bounce. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the market maker trying to get some shares. But I don't think people that bought this are not market movers. I think it's the market maker trying to get back some shares. But it doesn't mean I am right and it's going to go down. It doesn't mean they are right and it's going to go up. But the bearish disco combo is intact in the 1 hour time frame. Let me look at the 2 hour time frame. It's not triggered yet. Okay. GDX. And if you are maybe one person that saw this tweet, I think I'm gonna tweet maximum once a week. For some reason, Twitter does not circulate my tweets that much because I only have 400 followers, and they usually reserve the circulation to people with a lot of followers or a lot of likes. Because I don't get any likes at all, 1 or 2 max. That's why they don't circulate my tweets. I noticed if I tweet once a week, my tweet gets circulated and more people do like. I really think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do it once a week. All right. So if you are one of the 2 that saw this, tweet, I sold yesterday at a seller's zone, okay? And I kept my position in cash after it hit that seller's zone, this area. So that's what I usually do. I look at the buyer zone, seller zone, and until I see a price structure. There's no price structure right now at all, except if no, there's none at Alibaba. There's none, no price structure so far. So what is this candle? It is definitely, I think it's a dark cloud cover. You know, they got, boy, they got new buyers and they trapped them today. They opened this bad boy at 32.06. I think it closed at 32.04, and they took it all the way high, all the way to 32.25, and they sold it off after that. All right, so this is GDX. And I think that's it for this week. Please like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, disco is forever!